In this video, I'm teaching you how to obtain financial freedom. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Go and Grow TV. On this channel, we talk about all things growing in your life. That means financially, spiritually, mentally, physically, and emotionally. In today's episode, we're getting into how to obtain financial freedom in 2025, or if by the time you're watching this, it's probably 2026. The moves you make now will shape your future. That means financial freedom isn't about being rich. It's about having options and control over your life. So let's break down the exact steps that you need in order to create passive income, generational wealth, and long term financial independence. Defining financial freedom. So, financial freedom in today's world means 5 simple things: multiple streams of income, high yield savings, eliminating debt, passive income covering your lifestyle, and automating your finances. So, the economy is changing fast, especially the digital economy. But the financial economy, inflation, interest rates, and the rise of AI, you have to adapt or fall behind. Step one: audit your money. So you can't build wealth if you don't know where your money is going. This is where expense tracking, zero based budgeting, and cash flow awareness come into play. So you need to ask yourself, where is my money leaking out? Is it going to subscriptions, eating out, impulse buys? Once you see the leaks, only then can you seal them and start building. Step two: eliminate high interest debt. So, credit card debt is the number one wealth killer. It steals your income, your peace, and your ability to grow. Use strategies like debt snowball, debt avalanche, interest negotiation, and refinancing or debt consolidation. Every dollar you free from debt becomes a dollar that builds your future. Step three: build an emergency fund. So, a lot of people skip this step. Don't be one of them. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high yield savings account. This buffer protects you from unexpected bills, job shifts, or emergencies without derailing your goals. Step four: create multiple streams of income. In 2025, one income stream is not enough. And in 2026, one income stream is just way too risky, especially with the direction that our economy is going. So that means that you need to focus on three buckets. Three buckets. One, active income. So that means freelance work, your job, side gigs, side hustles, things like that. Two, you need semi passive income in your bucket. That includes digital products, YouTube, online courses, and affiliate marketing. And the third thing you need in your bucket is passive income. So this could be something like dividend stocks, ETFs, real estate, rentals, and royalties. This is where long term freedom is built, not in one paycheck, but in layers of income flowing to you. Y'all ready for step five? Step five: invest consistently. To be financially free, you have to invest. Even if you start small, I'm talking just $5, you must invest. That can include investing in yourself as well. We'll save that for the next episode though. So, to be financially free, you must invest, even if that means starting small. You could stick with 5 easy things: low cost index funds, dividend paying ETFs, IRA or Roth IRA, 401k match, and dollar cost averaging. These 5 things can help you become financially free. But you must keep in mind, consistency beats perfection and intensity every single time. Step six: master your mindset. So, money is emotional before it's logical. Your beliefs shape your habits, and Your habits shape your bank account. So, 2 tips for you. Replace "I can't afford it" to "how can I afford it?" And replace "I'll start later" or "I'll start tomorrow" to "I'll start right now." In other words, your mindset determines your money. Step 7, use AI and digital tools. So, as I said in my last video, if you missed that, go ahead and check it out here where I talk about how to leverage AI instead of getting left behind. Use AI for budgeting, skill building, research, side hustles, automating online income, and content creation. If you want to stay financially relevant, you cannot ignore the tools that are moving the world forward. All right, step 8, protect your money and avoid lifestyle creep. Yeah, what is lifestyle creep? I'll explain it in just a moment. Wealth is not about making money, it's about keeping it while you have it. One of the biggest reasons people stay financially stuck is because of something called lifestyle creep. That's when your income goes up, but so do your expenses. You get a raise, and suddenly the dinners get nicer, the trips get longer, and the apartment or the house gets more expensive. Your lifestyle upgrades, but your bank account stays the same. So here's why this matters. If you keep your lifestyle the same while your income grows, that extra money becomes investment power. Savings, passive income, and general wealth are all things that you can begin to build when you use that extra money that you're getting to go towards those things instead of towards whatever impulsive buys that you might be doing because you feeling yourself because you got some more money. I've been there, I've done that. I'm trying to tell you, you're going to end up broke real quick. And I'll tell you, broke is a mindset. So that's why you have to keep protecting your money. And you can do this by keeping expenses stable as your income grows, being intentional with raises and bonuses, avoiding automatic lifestyle upgrades, and prioritizing wealth over temporary treat yourself moments. This is how you stay financially free and not just get there for a moment. So, yeah, these are some tips and strategies that you can use to start building your net worth. The only way to become financially free is to talk to your money instead of letting your money talk to everyone else. If this video helped you, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But most importantly, share this video with someone else so that way the algorithm can continue to help people understand what my channel is all about and how it can be able to help you grow. If you want a full video breakdown of how you can start building passive income streams to become more financially free, make sure you leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, keep going, keep growing, and keep walking in miracles. Take care of yourself. Doctor's orders.